We're back at Dollar Tree with more awesome junk journaling finds and more. I'm Ingrid Carlsen, and I am so blessed that you are here with me today. We're starting off strong in the craft aisle with a product I have never seen at Dollar Tree before, and that's this resin powder. They had these 4 colors in these orange and yellows, as well as these purple, blue, and green. And I think these would be a lot of fun to use in your junk journals. I want to encourage you today to make sure that you check all of the aisles, including the stamps and sticker section. Sometimes it looks like they have the same products over and over, but you never know what you find. And look at this gem. Those are so beautiful. You can kind of tell there for comparison with my finger how big those numbers and letters are. It's been a while since I've perused the paper section, and I couldn't help but stop with these because of these beautiful pinks and blues. I know for my style specifically, they work really great. So make sure you're always checking because they always update them. Speaking of paper, right now it's the back to school section, and it's a great time to stock up on paper. They have these grid loose leaf notebook paper as well as regular notebook paper that are great additions in any journal. While we're talking about back to school, it's a great time to stock up on planners, and Dollar Tree has stepped up the game. Wait until you see all of the different planning supplies. I think this is one of my favorite, these little planners. Sometimes the pages aren't that nice. They have like really dark black lines, and these do not. So if you see them and you like planners like I do, then definitely pick them up. I also saw these, which are a great addition. Let's say you're not really into planning, but you want something cute to write down ideas or maybe even your schedule. These packs are really cute. They're very junk journal-y and scrapbooky, and I think they are a must-have. I actually think some of the elements can even be used inside of your junk journals. Let me know down below what you think. And those are the 4 different styles they had, and I wanted to show you they come backed on like a hard kind of chipboard. They are very, very cute. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on these. This is a great example of what I was talking about with the planner pages being dark, although I think this is an updated version and is a little nicer than what I've seen already. These are hard-bound planners, and I think they're really fun. You can also use them in other ways other than planning. Here are some of the different calendars that I found, and I think these are really great to put inside of your journal pages, especially ones that have beautiful scenery. These have these awesome quotes that you can use. You can cut them out, you can fold the pages, you can make pockets with them. Really, the possibilities are endless. And I'd love to know if you've used calendar pages in your journals before and what you think about them. If quotes aren't your thing, then I think that these might be up your alley. If you're anything like me and you love florals and butterflies, this is a 2-pack. You're getting a full-size calendar as well as this mini. And look at these beautiful floral pages. I think that they would be seamless with pretty much any style that I like to use. I think florals blend in perfectly. And then add those butterflies and you have a beautiful junk journal. These I thought were sweet as well. They were kind of more of that farmhouse style, but I think they're really cute. And if this is a style that you're into, then make sure that you pick them up because I guarantee they're going to be gone soon. I've talked about stamping before with Dollar Tree, and I wanted to make sure that I looked for stamp pads to make sure that they had some. So not only can you pick up the stamps, but you can pick up the pads. They had them in blue, green, black, and red, which are really all great colors. It's been a while since I've looked through the ribbon section at Dollar Tree, and they had some really great selections, including this grosgrain. Is that how you say that? I feel like it sounds wrong. Let me know down below if I'm saying it correctly or put it phonetically for me. But what really stole my heart were these gingham patterns. They had blue, green, black, pink, red, and orange, and these are so cute. I think that these for me are what I would consider a neutral that goes with pretty much any design. If you haven't caught my video on how to make stamps using erasers, make sure that you check that out. I'll have it linked down below. But look at this awesome eraser. It's huge. It was really heavy, and I think this would make an awesome big stamp. You guys know that I love to think outside of the box when it comes to Dollar Tree and use products that aren't necessarily something that you would definitely use in your journals. And so I found these drying mats, and I think these would be really awesome to use. Let me know down below if you want to know how I would use them. Hi, I'm Ingrid, and I am a sucker for all things school supplies, including notebooks, and I couldn't help but fall in love with these, with the pink pages. I think that when I was little, I had a notebook just like this, and this yellow was just so fun and inviting. Look at those lines. Aren't they precious? The yarn section was absolutely beautiful. Look at these beautiful colors that they had, and I think these would be really great for tassels, and I don't think that's something that I've shared on this channel. Let me know down below if you'd like to learn how to make a tassel using yarn. And this Dollar Tree probably had the best array of paints that I have seen, so I wanted to show you. Make sure that you stay tuned so that you see what the haul is. And I would say pause this video and let me know what you think I'm going to pick up. I'm going to start off by showing you guys the wallpaper that I got from my last Dollar Tree haul, and I totally forgot to show it. So I did end up getting the wallpaper with the birds and the florals, and it's iridescent. And then I didn't show in this video was this wallpaper, and it's so beautiful. I'm thinking these are magnolias, which is one of my favorite flowers, and it is so pretty. I love the browns and the pinks, and I love a black backdrop. These are both so beautiful, so definitely stay tuned because I will for sure be making something with these. I also went ahead and picked up the clear stamps. I just absolutely love these numbers. I love the size of them and the versatility. These are in lowercase. It would be really cool if they came out with this in uppercase, but $1.25 for 36 pieces is awesome. Awesome deal. I also went ahead and picked up the resin, which I'm planning on experimenting with. So if you guys want to see that, let me know down below if you want to see how you could use the resin. And I'm wondering how many of you have seen, actually that's something I've been meaning to ask. How many of you have seen these items at your Dollar Tree? So it seems like it's just so, there's no rhyme or reason. There's Dollar Trees that have like all this stuff, and there's some that have one thing and not the other. And so I'm just wondering if these are items that you have already seen or if they're new to you. I went ahead and picked up one of the weekly planners, and what I noticed, and I forgot to mention in the video, was that all of them, depending on kind of the base color of the cover, is what color the inside's going to be. So there were some that had like a green cover, and so the inside had like green, and then on the bottom, like here, this was green. And then I think there was like a gray one, a blue one. So definitely look out for that. I also want to ask you guys a question. How many of you are into planning? And if you're not into planning, why not? I'd like to know that. I would like to start doing a little bit of planning stuff, but it might not be the planning that you are used to seeing with tasks and like marking stuff off and like kind of more productivity. I want it to be a little more on the creative side. So let me know about that. I also had to go and pick up 2 of the paper pack kits. I couldn't decide on these 2, so I got both. So some of these off the bat, I don't know if I'll use, but I know I love this color. These are good colors too, but these blues, so nice. The pinks, yes please. The mint green. So that whole pack was pretty usable. I mean, this stuff's all usable too. Black is always usable, but these are usable, but they're, you know, I definitely would like these colors more. So let's open this one. This one had some tan, and that's why I went with this one. So again, it has these reds, which this red is very, very pretty. Here's some more of the blues. Here's some like olive green color, more blue, pink, black, gray, and then these tan ones. So nice. Okay, so I told you guys I'm a sucker for beautiful paper, and I could not resist these gorgeous, gorgeous stripes. They're so pretty. Oh, so pretty. And I think, you know, you could use this as a notebook. You can use this as an art journal and use the pages inside, but I'm probably just going to tear pages out and use them in my journals. I also got this one, which of course it's like pink with the pink stripes, which again are beautiful. The paper seems like it's not completely like that really cheap porous paper. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it that I can feel. So I think that it's going to be better quality. It's really nice. I love both of those. Okay, and then the last thing I picked up, and how many of you voted for this? I picked up the dish drawing mat. So it's 12 by 18 inches. I left the... And they've got this thing packaged up. Okay, so here it is here. It's nice and squishy. And what do you think I'm going to be using this for? Did you guess? Write it down below. I'm not going to tell you yet how I'm going to use this, but I will tell you that if you do not have your notifications on and you were like, oh, why? This is why. Turn your notifications on right now, because this video is coming up probably within the next 2 weeks, but probably next week, and you're going to love it. So I thank you guys for being here today. I thank you for watching this haul, for all of your support, your comments, your likes. It really helps out. And the more that you interact with the video and you share it, if you like my content, then you can help me out by sharing it, liking it, commenting, and then YouTube deems it
worthy enough, and then pushes it out to more people. And so that's really helpful to people that don't know that I'm here. So again, a big thank you to you guys. A big hug and kiss, big bear hug to my Patreons. I want to thank you so much. And I love you guys. And until I see you next time, love you. Bye.
Oh, and did you think that I forgot? In case you haven't heard it today, you are amazing. You are talented, and you are unconditionally loved.